get you out in the car. We'll get you to some good water and an air conditioner. Okay, you don't need to travel back in there. Coop, come on now, you don't need to punish yourself, dude. At least there's a little breeze blowing this way. Sniffer. Sniffles. Come on, Sniffles. We're just gonna go up the road. Oh yeah, it's a nice breeze blowing this way. Yeah, you'll probably have diarrhea now after drinking that. Now this all floods in the spring. This all floods, like right in to almost to the trail, the main trail. So what I'm walking on right now is usually covered in water in the spring. Water and ice. So that's why there's so much greenery and still mud in here. It takes most of the summer to dry up, and then it's fall and snowing again. So, but if you don't mind the mosquitoes, yeah, get a drink, bud. That's good water. You want to go down there and get a drink? Here, bud. There, go on down in there and get a drink. Okay? That's running water. That's good. Have a drink. Oh, he's laid right down in it. Oh, that helped you cool off, didn't it? Yeah. That helped you cool off good. Okay, we're up to the trail now. And there's the car. Alright, well, that's it for this evening.